Are you ready to revolutionize your kitchen and take your cooking to a whole new level? The Instant Vortex Plus XL 8-quart dual basket air fryer oven, brought to you by the makers of Instant Pot, is here to make meal preparation easier, more efficient, and incredibly delicious. In this comprehensive review, we'll explore how this versatile kitchen appliance can transform your cooking experience. The Instant Vortex Plus XL is not your ordinary air fryer. With 8 incredible functions, it can air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, dehydrate, Synccook, and Syncfinish. Whether you're craving crispy fried delights, perfectly roasted meats, or homemade baked goods, this kitchen marvel has got you covered. One of the standout features of this air fryer is the ClearCook windows and internal light. These innovations allow you to easily monitor the cooking progress without opening the baskets. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to perfectly cooked meals every time. Tired of back-to-back cooking? The Instant Vortex Plus XL comes with 2 independent frying baskets, saving you time and effort. You can cook 2 meals or appetizers simultaneously in 2 different ways or prepare larger batches for gatherings. The Synccook and Syncfinish features are a game changer. Synccook enables you to cook both baskets with the same cooking settings, while Syncfinish lets you program each basket with different settings to automatically finish at the same time. Say goodbye to the hassle of timing your meals. With EvenCrisp technology, you'll achieve a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. Advanced airflow from top to bottom ensures that your dishes come out with that irresistible crunch. The Instant Vortex Plus XL features customizable one-touch smart programs for wings, roasted veggies, garlicky potatoes, cookies, cinnamon buns, and more. These programs take the guesswork out of cooking, making it easy to prepare restaurant-quality meals at home. No more waiting around for the oven to preheat. The Instant Vortex Plus XL requires little to no preheating time, taking your dishes from frozen to golden in mere minutes. It offers a temperature range of 95 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for culinary versatility. Enhance your culinary repertoire by downloading the free Instant Pot app, available on both iOS and Android. With over 100 recipes at your fingertips, you can create quick new favorites and prepare delicious meals that will impress your friends and family. Cleaning up after cooking is a breeze with the Instant Vortex Plus XL. The non-stick, dishwasher-safe air fry baskets and trays ensure that you spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meal. Built-in safety features, including overheat protection and auto-off, are designed to keep your mind at ease while you cook up a storm in the kitchen. Your safety is a top priority. In summary, the Instant Vortex Plus XL 8-quart dual basket air fryer oven is a culinary game changer. It offers unmatched convenience, versatility, and exceptional cooking results. Whether you're a busy parent, a cooking enthusiast, or simply someone who loves good food, this air fryer will elevate your kitchen adventures. Ready to transform your cooking experience? Click the link below to explore the Instant Vortex Plus XL 8-quart dual basket air fryer oven and unlock a world of culinary possibilities. Your taste buds will thank you. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Instant Vortex Plus XL 8-quart dual basket air fryer oven. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews, and share it with your fellow food enthusiasts. Happy cooking!